Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the address of Windows Explorer. This is part of the Windows Explorer series. So let's get started. I'm here on my Windows 11 desktop, and now I'm going to open Windows Explorer by pressing Window button plus E.
Home. Items view list. Quick access group.
So there are several ways to change the path or address or location of Windows Explorer. First, by using the uh, address pane. Pane is part of Windows Explorer address pane. We can set the address manually by type it, or we can go folder by folder using the existing uh, location. So we select from drop down to one folder and the child folder and the child folder until we reach the folder that we want. Those are two ways of using the address bar. And the third way is using the tree view. Tree view is a hierarchical, original hierarchical tree view. The fourth way is using the item view list. Item view list is the main part of Windows Explorer, where there are lists of items contained by the container. What I mean is that's the content of the path or the address that has been set. So those are four ways. And as an addition, we can use the recent options. So it's like a toolbar where it will shows the recent visited address. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first one on the address bar by type it manually. To focus on the address input bar, press Ctrl L, L as in Lima.
Address combo box collapsed. Edit deselected home.
Home. So it's currently pointed to home, the address. Home is the initial abstraction of Windows Explorer. What I mean is home contain links and other like recent files to point to another location or file. So we have to take a note here. We have to pay attention to the difference between home in the Windows Explorer and user home directory that always used in the system. So we are at home of Windows Explorer. I'm going to type the location of my user home directory. My username is Whisker. I'm going to type in
C.
C.
Selection removed.
Remember, we already focused on the address bar. C
C. Colon.
//
Backslash.
users
U. S. E. R. S.
/
Users. Backslash.
Whisker. It's my username.
W. I. S. C. E. R.
Press enter.
Whisker. C. Backslash users backslash whisker selected. Items view list. .vs code not selected 1 of 19.
So that's the first way to change the address. If you listen that the first item that being selected is .viscode, it is the first item of the content of Whisker folder. After we press enter, the focus will automatically go to the uh, item view list, and then it will point out to the first content, the first child. Now to go back, now the second way to change the address, we are going to go back to the address bar by pressing tab. to jump between panes. Press tab.
Status bar. View
Press
modes
tab.
group. Navigation buttons toolbar. Back to
Press
home left.
tab.
Recent locations button.
Press tab.
Up band toolbar. Up to quote desktop quote left.
Press tab.
Address : whisker toolbar. All locations split button.
This is the toolbar, address toolbar. If you notice, it says all location split button. It is the first button of our current location. It's always all location. To access, so it is a drop down button. If we press enter, it will show list of all location. Let me show you. I'm going to press enter.
Address combo box collapsed. Edit deselected whisker.
Edit combo box collapse. That means we focus on the address and you have to type it manually. Press escape.
Address : whisker toolbar. All locations split button.
With all location. Now press right arrow.
Whisker split button.
Whisker split button. Now try to press right arrow again.
All locations split button.
All location. So the first button on the left is all location. If we press down arrow, it will show, it is now showing the list of available links that we can access. I'm going to press down arrow again.
Desktop 1 of 1.
Is desktop.
Home 1 of 15.
Home 1 of 15.
Whisker dash personal 2 of 15.
2 of 15. So the first item is desktop. It's a separated list. And the next list is
home 1 of 15.
home,
Whisker dash personal 2 of 15.
Whisker dash personal points to the OneDrive.
Whisker 3 of 15.
Whisker points to my user home directory. So we have to notice, we have to aware that in Windows Explorer there are paths or address, and there's also shortcuts or links. So it's like an alias to point to real path. For example, there is a link called videos, which is a shortcut that points to a path c:\users \whisker, in this case whisker, \videos. It's the real address. So we are in the all location.
Desktop 4 of 15.
I'm going to press escape to close the drop down.
Whisker, address : whisker toolbar.
Now press right arrow to go to whisker because currently we are on the whisker folder.
Whisker split button.
Now I want to access the child of whisker folder, which is uploaded folder, videos folder. Now we are on the whisker split button. Press down arrow, find the videos folder. I already pressed, and it's showing up the drop down. I need to press again to go to the first item.
.vscode 1 of 16. App data 2 of 16. Contacts 3 of 16. Desktop 4 of 16. Documents 5 of 16. Downloads, favorites 7. Detrepos, learn 9 of 6. Links 10 of 16. Music 11 of 16.
So these are all the folders within the user home directory. Press down arrow again.
OneDrive 12 of 16. Pictures 13 of 6. Saved games 4. Searches 15 of. Videos 16 of 16.
This is videos. Press enter.
Videos. Items view list. Captures not selected 1 of 18.
It also, after we press enter, we change the address. It also points out to the item view list, like when we type it manually. Now I'm going to back to the address bar. To go back to the address bar, we can use multiple tabs or just press Ctrl L.
Address combo box collapsed. Edit deselected c:\users back. Address : c:\use. Address combo.
However, if we press Ctrl L, it will open the edit box of the address. To convert it as a buttons, like we did earlier, press escape.
Address : c:\users \whisker \videos toolbar. All locations split button.
It reads the full path or the full address, and in the end it says all locations split button because it's the first button on the left, all location. Now go to the right, press right arrow.
Whisker split button.
Press right arrow.
Videos split button.
Videos. press right arrow.
All locations split button.
It goes back to the first button. Now I'm going back to the videos button, split button.
Whiskers, videos split button.
Now I want to select the uploaded folder within this videos button. Press down arrow again.
Captures 1 of 2.
Down arrow.
Uploaded 2 of 2.
Uploaded. I'm gonna now press enter.
Uploaded. Items view list. Test 1 not selected 1 of 43.
So it select test 1, the first item underneath the uploaded folder. So there was the second way to change the address. The third way is using the tree view pane. To go to the tree view pane, press enter.
Status bar. View modes grouping.
Press enter.
Navigation buttons toolbar. Back to
Press
videos left paren. Alt recent locations button.
Enter.
Up band toolbar. Up to quote videos quote left.
Enter.
Address : C : /.
Enter.
Search edit box. Search.
Enter. Oops. Go in. Press save. Press enter. Press enter. Something going on here. Okay. I'm gonna try by pressing enter. Press. Oh, what I meant by pressing enter to jump between pane was not press enter but press tab. Now press tab. Press tab. It doesn't work. Okay, let me try by pressing alt tab to minimize the application first and then maximize again. Okay, it's not responding. My Windows Explorer currently not responding. I'm gonna close down this application. Open new Windows Explorer.
Home.
Okay, we are back to the Windows Explorer. Now press tab to go to the tree view.
Name split button collapsed.
Tab.
Status bar.
Tab.
Up band toolbar.
Tab.
Address : home.
Tab.
Search edit box. Search window.
Tab.
Tree view. 2 suggestions available,
Tree view.
Press down arrow key to access results.
So this is tree view. Press down arrow.
Whisker dash personal left paren. OneDrive right paren. Home 1 of 12 level 1.
The first item is home. Second item.
Whisker dash personal left paren. OneDrive right paren. Collapse 2. Start of quick access dash desktop left paren.
Now I'm going to show you how to get into the previous folder we just uploaded within the tree view. Press down
Downloads
arrow.
left paren. Documents left paren. Pictures left paren. Music left paren. Videos left paren. Pinned right paren. Not checked 8 of 12 level 1.
This is videos, but this is a link to the videos, not a real path. We can use these quick links to make it faster, or we can access with the C drive. But because this is, I usually use the quick links to make it easier. So I can press this. With the tree view, after we press enter, it doesn't automatically focus on the item view list, but it stays on the tree view. After I press enter, the item view list has been refreshed, and the content is the content of the videos folder. Now I'm going to show how to access videos folder from C directory, C drive. Press down arrow.
End of quick access dash uploaded 9 of 12 level 1. This PC expanded 10 of 12 level 1.
This PC. Now I'm going to expand this by pressing right arrow.
Level 2 OS left paren. C : right paren. Collapsed 1 of 1.
OS C drive. It doesn't say drive, but C. Now press right arrow.
Expanded 15 items.
15 items. Now I'm gonna go down quickly.
Level apps drive 1 perf logs 8 of program recovery users collapse Windows collapsed 4 Windows.old level 1 network collapsed 11 of Linux expanded 12 network collapse level 3 Windows.old Windows collapsed 14 of 15 users collapsed recovery 12 program data collapsed 11 program file perf logs 8 of 15.
I'm not looking for videos. I'm looking for users because the path is within C. C users.
Program recovery users collapsed 13 of 15 level.
Now press right arrow to expand.
Expanded 6 items.
Now find whisker.
Level 3 level 4 whisker expanded 16 level app content desk document down 50
arrow,
learn link music OneDrive
videos.
Videos collapsed 16 of 16 level 5.
Now we reach the videos. Press enter. Okay, that's the second way to change the address. Now I'm going to close this Windows Explorer, open new one.
Unknown. Home. Items view list.
Now we are in the new Windows Explorer. We are, by default, we are at home of Windows Explorer. Now we go to the, oh yeah, by default, we also already focus on the item tree view. Now I'm going to show you how to go to the videos uploaded folder, videos /uploaded folder within the with using item tree view. Okay, now go down.
Downloads 2 of 27, documents 3 of 20, pictures 4 of 27.
We're gonna find quick links videos.
Music 5, video 6 of 27.
Videos, press enter.
Items view list. Uploaded not selected 1 of 18.
We are within videos. Now I'm going to find uploaded. This we already on uploaded. Press enter.
Captures 2, uploaded 1 of 18.
Press down arrow first.
Items view list.
Enter. Now I have created a folder for testing under this folder. So the folders are test1, test2, test3 hierarchically. Now I'm going to the test4 folder. So
Vscode
I have
power test 1 T.
Yeah, test1. I have test1.
Chrome line install test 143 of 43.
This is the folder. Now I'm going to press down arrow.
Items view list. Test 2 not selected 1 of 1.
Test2. We are already on the test1, test2. Now I'm gonna press enter again to go to the test2. Oh, I need to press down arrow first to focus to select. I'll press enter.
Items view list. Test 3 not selected 1 of 1.
Test3. How about, okay, I'm going to press down arrow to go to open this test3 which contain test4.
Selected. Items view list. Test 4 not selected 1 of 1.
So we reached test4. So it was videos /uploaded /test1 /test2 /test3 /test4. How about if I want go up one directory from test4 to test3 and then test2? To go up one directory, we can use the shortcut, and there's also a button in the toolbar up. But for simplicity, I prefer to use shortcut. We can use Ctrl and up arrow to go up one directory.
Selected.
Up. Press again, Ctrl up arrow.
Items view list.
Oh, sorry, not Ctrl up arrow, but Alt up arrow. We are currently at test3. To read our current folder, press NVDA key plus T as in Tango.
Test2.
Test2. We are in the test2 directory, which contain test3. Now go up again to go to test1.
Items view list. Test2 1 of 1.
We are in the test1, which contain test2. The path is test1. So that's how we go up one directory. How about if we want to go back to the previous directory that we visited? I mean, the last directory is test3, and before that is test4. Sorry, I mean the last directory I visited is test2, and the previous one is test3, which contain test4. Now we are at test1.
Test1.
Test1. To go back to the history of the address, press Alt and left arrow.
Items view list. Test3 1 of 1.
Test3, that is the first item, which means we are pointing to test2. Now go press Alt and left arrow again.
Items view list. Test4 1 of 1.
Test4, that means we are test3. That's to go back to the history of the address. How about if you want to move forward? On the other hand, if you want to move forward, it's pretty easy. I think you already know. Press Alt and right arrow.
Items view. Items view list. Test2 1 of 1.
test 2. That means we already ended test 1 because I have pressed Alt right arrow 2 times. I think that concludes the fourth way to set the address within the item view list. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we can also select by the history, by the recent address using the drop-down menu. Now, to go to the drop-down to the recent, actually, we don't have to use the drop-down menu because we can use the Alt and left arrow. But just for fun, I'm going to show you the toolbar. Press tab to go to the next pane.
Status bar, view modes grouping, large icons radio button check displays items.
Press tab.
Navigation buttons toolbar, back to test 2 left paren, Alt plus left arrow right paren, button.
This is the navigation toolbar. This is what I mean. So we currently focus on the back button, and it also say back to tab 2.
Test 1.
Yeah, it's text 1. Because I press NVDA key plus T as in they go. Now I'm going to press NVDA key plus tab.
Back to test 2 left paren, Alt plus left arrow right paren, button focused.
Back to tab 2. This is back button. Now to go to the other button in the toolbar, which is forward button, press right arrow.
Recent locations button.
This is recent location. To go to the recent location, press down.
Context menu.
It shows context menu. Press down arrow again.
Test 1 check T.
Test 1.
Test 2T.
Test 3.
Test 3T.
Test 3.
Test 2T.
Test 2.
Test 1T.
Press arrow.
Uploaded you.
Uploaded. It goes back to the uploaded. Down arrow.
Videos V.
Down arrow.
Home age.
So as you can see, it shows the recent address. Now press escape.
Test 1. Navigation buttons toolbar.
Press right arrow again.
Back to test 2 left paren, Alt
Back
plus
to
left arrow
test
right
2.
paren, recent locations button.
Oh, we cannot find the forward button because we don't have forward. We don't have the front of the history because we are already at the most front of the history, if you know what I mean. Now to show the forward button, press back button several times. I'm gonna press Alt and oh no, just use this back button.
Back to test 2 left paren,
Back
Alt
to
plus
tab
left
button.
arrow right paren, button.
Back button, back to test 2. I'm gonna press this like 2 times.
Items view list. Test 3 1 of 1.
After I press 1 time, it will automatically move back to the item view list. So I need to press tab.
Status bar. Navigation. Forward to test 1 left paren, Alt plus right arrow right paren, button.
I think this is the forward button.
Recent locations button.
I press right arrow.
Back to test 3 left paren,
Right arrow.
Alt forward to test 1 left paren.
So this is
Alt.
forward. We have forward now because we already back. So I think that points out we don't need to use the toolbar because once we press the back button or forward button, it will automatically focus on the item view pane. So just use the keyboard shortcut, Alt left arrow for back, Alt right arrow for forward, Alt up arrow for go up one directory, and to go to the directory, to the selected directory, just enter. So that concludes the four ways. First is using type it manually in the address bar. The second one is using the buttons in the address bar. You can press right arrow to show the drop down. And the third one is using the item tree view. We can go by hierarchical tree view. The fourth one is using the item view list, the main content of Windows Explorer. We can use enter to go to the folder, Alt left arrow to go back to the history, Alt right arrow to go forward, if any, in the history, and to go out and to go up one directory by pressing Alt up arrow. Okay guys, I hope this is useful. See you again next time. Bye bye.